Hey, this is Flo, and in this video I will teach you how to display a view only at the first time that the user opens an app. If you enjoy my kind of videos, then please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you have any video ideas. But let's get right into it. To make our lives very easy, I actually created a package that does exactly this. So first of all, I have a brand new Xcode project here, just a blank SwiftUI example app. And then over here, the link to this package is of course in the video description. I have the AppOpenTracker package that I created. It's hosted on GitHub so everyone can use it. Let's just copy the URL first of all, because we're gonna need that in a second. Okay, if you scroll down here, the AppOpenTracker has a couple of different members that you can access, and the one that we really care about is the app is first opened. So this is just a published boolean that you can use to find out whether the user opened your app for the first time right now. This package also supports showing you the last version that the user had opened and how often exactly the user opened your app before, stuff like that. So for example, if you want to prompt the user to rate your app the second time that you open it, then you can use this count of app opened before. But in this example, we will just use app is first opened. Okay. So installation will be via Swift Package Manager. So as I said, either copy the URL from the address bar up here or just hit the copy button over here. Then let's get back into Xcode. This is Xcode 13, which just came out yesterday. And adding Swift dependencies changed a little bit. So let's get into the project and then scroll down to frameworks, libraries, and embedded content. Hit the plus button, and then in this little drop down here, select Add Package Dependency. Now, if you already used some packages, then they will show up in this list here. Otherwise, you can just paste in the package URL in this search bar here at the top. For me, the AppOpenTracker is already here, partially because I also linked my GitHub account to my Xcode. One important part of this package is that it is not using versioning. So as a dependency rule, you cannot use any of the version rules. You just have to use the main branch as a rule. And then here you can also see the README once again that we already saw on GitHub. So just add package. This will fetch all the code for a second. Okay, and then make sure that the correct target is selected here. So in this case, there's only one target in this project, which is the app. But if you also have a widget or intents or whatever, then make sure that the correct target is selected where you want to use this package. So let's hit add package one more time, and you will see it shows up here in the list and then also under the package dependencies on the left hand side. So we can close this project overview now and get back into the content view. We can start coding. So first of all, let's import the package. It's called AppOpenTracker, just like that. And then to use it, as you've already seen on GitHub, perhaps, there's a shared instance of the tracker class. So as you would use a view model, you can also use this AppOpenTracker. So let's just say an observed object. Let's make it a private variable. Let's call it AppOpenTracker. And this is just our AppOpenTracker class and the shared instance. So you don't need to initialize anything here. Just use the shared instance. And then inside of the body, we can say something like, let's embed this text in a VStack. Let's keep the hello world, and then we can, for example, say if AppOpenTracker dot app is first opened. You can see there is a little description here as well. This is the exact same wording from the GitHub page. So if the app is first opened, we want to also display a text saying first time here. Okay, so just something very easy. Okay, so this doesn't really work in the preview because we're using user defaults here. So we have to actually run this in the simulator to see how it works. So let's hit Command R, wait for the simulator to start. Okay, so the simulator just started, and as you can see, and as you expected probably, this is the first time that we are opening the app. So it does say first time here. Now if we run again, then this text should not be shown. Let's try it out. Okay, the app is launching again. Let's see, and the text is not shown. So this is just a very easy way to track how often the user opened the app using the AppOpenTracker. If we dig into this shared instance here, then you can also see the code. So it's just a very easy implementation, quick and easy implementation. I'm sure this can be optimized. But there you can see these 3 published variables. Those are the interesting ones. We have now used the app is first opened. As you can see, it's published. So you can, for example, also use the app is first opened as a binding to show a sheet for your onboarding process in the beginning or anything like that. Okay, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then please like it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.